Oh, I just finished routing my raised panel, and with my router I had the stock fence, and there were some problems getting it close enough to the bit to keep a continuous line of the piece being made to go under the feather boards and across the router without it being spaces between. So I made these custom little fences for mine so I could bring it a little closer for my fence and put them in there and went from there. And they worked fairly well, although there were some issues with those that I'll go over later. So at this point, I'm nearly done with my raised panel door. And here's the raised panel, and there's the routered edge. Now, some of the problems I had doing this practice board were essentially in the application of using a router without proper jigs and alignment. So my raised panel door, although looks fairly fine, has some issues that mainly result from that, which is not truly aligned at the corners, and it's actually too thin for my board space. So it should be a lot thicker than that. So that's stuff that I can iron out later on future boards and kind of figure out. And I'll do maybe some more practice boards. So all I really have to do left at this time is cut the rails down to size and router out the ends so that that groove will fit together with the style. And so the stiles are cut down to size and they fit in there fine. You can see the alignment and how it fits in there. So we're almost done, and I'll follow up tomorrow and we'll do some sanding and try to make this look as good as possible, although I think I ended up using 2 different kinds of wood. Anyhow,